advocating for years and years that we need a supermax prison on an island like Pigeon Quay where we can facilitate jobs and where we can take the criminal them family and let them stay on that prison compound, work, get medical care, everything, good health, good medical, and have jobs.
So the issue recognized is a major one. In fact, a significant number of the contract killing emerges from prison or from overseas. It's a new feature of our crime scene, which is very worrying.
Yeah.
But that is the reality, that much of them emerge from prisoners or from overseas criminals.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Now, I want to go right into this. It states that Jamaica is getting a new state-of-the-art correctional facility. You just heard the clip of the security minister, quote unquote, Horace Chang, talking about it. And I'm gonna play all the news clip from this, and then I'm going to elaborate on it because this shit sound crazy. I'm gonna give you my opinion, so watch all this video and then at the end I'm gonna talk about it. Peace out, countryman. I'm here.
We are looking at, however, doing, for starting as early as this year, a small section for high security, high value criminals, which is still a challenge for us in terms of prisoners directing criminal activity outside of prison. The correction that was amended to take some action to try and mitigate the problem, but it is a real challenge and we have to go beyond that. And we want to start that section of the facility. We have the JDF supporting an engineer doing design work. We have examined what is required. It's costly, but we think we have to get on with that aspect of it. And in fact, recruit and train a whole new batch of officers to monitor and manage that section until we get the whole facility going. The major facility, we have identified the lands out in the plains of St. Catherine. The sugar corporate has been quite generous. They gave us 300 plus acres so we can build a proper modern community.
Now my people, the first thing me I go say, everybody know this, that England did offer with £25 million to build a prison. And we never take it. We never take money and there's no explanation. Now there's a couple different things wrong with how Jamaica and the Justice Minister do things. Now, I have been advocating for years and years that we need a supermax prison on an island like Pigeon Quay where we can facilitate jobs and where we can take the criminal them family and let them stay on that prison compound, work, get medical care, everything, good health, good medical, and have jobs that they can work back for our society. So pretty much the Prime Minister has listened to my thing about crime and setting up prison, and the Justice Minister have done that, and then the Justice Minister have also listened to other people, the UK and stuff, and then after, I'm using a pun, after 100 million years of crime, violence, because in actuality we only solve 31% of our crime and murders, and we have over 60,000 murders since independence. Right now, with 31%, it's hovering around 36,000 people. So my thing is, when you have a system like Jamaica when you have a system like Jamaica, we need multiple high-tech prisons. We need some underground prison. We need prison on the island like Pigeon Queer. You understand? We need supermax. Now, where this brother you talk about, it just sound like a half-ass job. Them say them a consult with the Jamaica army, this, that. England did offer 25 million. So, to me, it look like a thief. Them a try for thief this prison money. That's what it looks like to me. Now, maybe I am wrong. Let me know what you guys think. Them a try thief the prison money. Yo, my name is Countryman, yo. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Cause this is a half-ass job.